So to start, we need some ricotta. Now ricotta you make depending on how much cannelloni you are going to fill. I'm using this because I'm not going to fill much. I'm making a small dish. We make an egg with it. We add an egg. With the ricotta. Some pepper. You mix everything up. And then you add some spinach. And you mix everything up. You mix them up like this. So then you fill the cannelloni. So for the filling, I am only using these: ricotta, pepper, an egg, and spinach, and some spinach, or other type of, you can use kale, anything that you like, not only spinach you can use. As you can see, I'm using the small dish. I'm not using a large dish, a small one. And you can use, depends for how many people you are going to make it. And at the bottom, I'm going to make some white sauce. I already made the white sauce. In the bottom, I'm going to put some white sauce. For the recipe of the white sauce, I have a video. At the end of this video, I will put a link on how to make the white sauce. Now for the cannelloni, I'm using pancakes that I made. Even for the pancakes, I have a recipe on how to make them. I'm not using pasta. I'm using pancakes, but you can use pasta if you want. And I cut the pancake in half because of the dish, it's small, so I'm making half. And I will put some filling in it. Turn it like this and put it over there. I take another one, fill it. And you continue filling them until the dish is full. You can see they are already filled. I filled them all, the four of them. And now I'm going to make some sauce, red sauce. And for the sauce I used some polpa to make it. Some polpa, tomato sauce. I only made a tablespoon of tomato sauce, some curry. I added some curry and some pepper. That is how I made the red sauce. You have written here what I used to make this sauce. And now we top everything up with the white sauce. For the white sauce, as I told you, I am going to put a link at the end of this video on how to make the white sauce. I have a video how to make it. It's not difficult to make it. Better you make it yourself. You can buy it if you want, but if you make it yourself, it is better. So the white sauce is ready too. And now I'm going to finish with some grated cheese on top. Then I will show you how it is when it is ready. And the cannelloni is ready. I took it out of the oven, as you can see. Now we'll see how it tastes, but I'm sure I already tried it more than once. The taste is very good. The taste is really good, as you can see, with the spinach here, ricotta. Hope that you liked my video and that you try it. Bye for now.